Hi everyone. What we would be discussing in this video is ClickUp, how to create spaces, how to create folders, how to create lists, and how to create tasks. So the first thing is creating a space. So what we can do is we can write, I'll give you examples of what I am doing for my teaching. I'll choose it as teaching and research as a space and I'll click on continue. Here, a space like this would be created. What can we do next is we can segregate it into different folders. What I've done is I've created different folders. I'll give you a demo how to create a folder over here. Simply click onto the plus and click folder. You can name the folder and you can choose the settings. Like we can give the example timetable. So after choosing this statuses, click on to create and your folder would be created. Then what has to be done is we have to create lists. So for it can be auto built. I can also rename it. The next task is that we'll be creating tasks in those lists and folders. So what I've done over here is I've added a recurring task for my timetable for the subjects that I'm teaching in different departments. So what I'd be doing is I'll be clicking on the plus, I'll be choosing task. So here it would open like this. I can simply write mining project management and I can choose the start date and the end date. So the class is on Wednesday from 8 a.m. I'll be adding the time as well till 10 a.m. in the morning. I'll be setting it to recurring. I'll be choosing weekly and I can choose on schedule. I'll click on to save and the task would be created. So after adding all my classes, what it looks like is I have one class of mining from 8 till 10. The second is for mining from 8 till 9. Then it is for chemical engineering on Friday and mining on Friday. So this is basically the list view. Now what we can see is there can be a board and also a Gantt chart. I'll click on to board in order to show you how it looks like. Okay, so one is complete, which was on Monday, which was computer engineering and product and industrial design. Then in my to-do list, it is mining tomorrow, then chemical engineering and mining on Friday. And if I click onto Gantt chart, what it would give me is a list along with a calendar and my time schedule that where I'm scheduling my classes and which time slots are available. If you have any questions, reach out to me.